Hi friends, this video will cover all the important problems in algebra asked in the government exam. Let's see the question. Okay, this is the first question. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then the x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, what is the answer? For this kind of question, we need to know about the formulas. These are all the important formula. Please note it down. If you are not at all aware for this formula, please note it down and mug it up. Definitely it could be helpful for our government exam. And as well as this is the format of x plus 1 by x is equal to k and x square plus 1 by x is equal to k square minus 2. This is the format for this question. Okay, this is the first question I'm asking. The format of this question, for this kind of question, we need to apply this logic, a square minus 2, and this is the proof of that question, how it would be k square minus 2. This is the proof of this formula. Today I am not at all going to show the proof. Why? Because it will take more time for the proof. That's why I am taking the question only. Okay, for this kind of question, what is the answer? This is the format of x plus 1 by x is equal to k. Then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square minus 2. I need to highlight one point. If any plus sign is coming, we need, this is the plus sign, this is the plus sign. For on that time we need to take it as minus sign for this one. Okay, if any plus minus sign is coming, we need to take it as a positive, as well as plus minus sign is coming on, we need to take it as positive, as well as minus sign is coming on that we need to take it as positive. This is the highlight point I need to tell. This is the first problem. The plus sign is there, we need to take it as minus for these kind of formats. The format is like this only. That's why we need to use 4 is the k. Therefore 4 square plus is minus, we need to take here from this logic 4 square minus 2. That means 16 minus 2 is equal to 14 is the answer for this question. Like that we can solve any of the question. I will take second problem, you will understand definitely. Okay, second problem is this one. Here it is plus and minus sign is present. Because plus minus means, already I told, the sign should be plus. That means 7 square plus 2. The answer should be 49. 7 square is 49 plus 2 is equal to 51 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem for these kind of questions. Okay, third problem. Okay, this is also, because once you see the question, definitely it would be very confusion. That's what I mean to say. This is the format of x only, and this is the format of 1 by x. Okay, if I squaring this one, it would be converted as x. If I squaring of both sides, understand? We need to convert it as, first it as squares on both sides. On that time, what should be appearing? Root of 5 square. What should be appearing? Root of 5 square minus 2. That means plus sign is there. That's why I am taking as minus here. This is the important point. You need to note it down. Please note it down. Therefore, answer should be 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Then for this one, here it is a 4. The power is 4. That's why again I need to make it as 4. I need to make it as square on both sides here as well. 1 by x square means I will directly return 3 square. This is the plus sign. We need to take it as minus 1. That's why 3 square means 9 minus 2. Why I am taking minus? Because here also plus, the coming is also plus. We need to take it as minus 1. Therefore 9 minus 2 is 7. Then the format is, the question is given as x to the power of 4. That's why again we need to multiply, because again the sign is plus. Again we need to take it as plus as well. Therefore 7 square means 49 minus 2 is 47 is the answer for this question. No need of confusion anything, but you need to consider, you need to concentrate on this square. If any, the format is like the x plus 1 by x, but we need to make it a format, whatever the question is coming, you need to make it as format as root of x is equal to, for change it into x plus 1 by x. Okay, maybe you got that point. This is the question is root of 4, the root is 4. That's why I make it as 4 times or 3 times. I make it on first is root is there, I am converting as x plus 1 by x, then I make it as x square. Then the question is x to the power 4. That's why I make it as square as x to the power of 4. Like that we need to solve the problem. If the problem is coming, definitely you could easily solve for this kind of problem, no need of confusion anything. Okay, next problem 3x. This is also the same type of problem, but you need to over here it is exponential is changed. Okay, for this, for those here x plus 1 by x be for those for previous problem, because here consonants are not at all there, here it is present. On this kind of problem what we need to do is just same as it is, but we need to aware. See, the plus plus we need to take it as minus 1, same as it is. Root of 5 is there because square is there, that's why you need to do only one time. Root of 5 the whole square, root of 5 the whole square minus whatever the thing is 2, but exponential we need to consider as first exponential 3. That means okay, I will note it on a into 1 by b like that. This is the a term, this is the b term. Therefore 5 minus 2, this is the formula, k square minus 2a into 1 by, this is the exponential. Therefore 5 minus 2 into, this is the a term is 3 and b term is 2. Make it as note, if the alphabet is coming for, if any components, if any consonants are coming in the problem, we need to solve like that. Just we need to take it as consonants as a into 1 by b. Therefore cancel, 2 cancel, 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem for this kind of problem, because I shown all the. Okay, I will take one more problem, you could understand very easily. For these problems already I told, this is the this is not a form of x plus 1 by x form, but we need to do for this a square, we need to do it as 2 times. Understand? That's what I am going to say. The first term is root 2, that means root 2 the whole square, plus minus plus is plus sign we need to take. Therefore 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, then the problem should be, okay, if I am making a square, the format should be, what should be the things? If I am squaring on both sides, 9x plus 1 by 9x. Okay, that's why I am not taking any of the consonants here. Okay, if I am squaring a next term, what would be the thing? 81x square. Okay, the answer should be coming as, I am not at all taking any of the consonant. Why? Because already you know, because the format should be same. This is 81 only, no need of consonants. Before that problem the consonants was there here with the terms, that's why I am taken on that time. Here for this 4 is coming, we need to take it as square. This is the plus plus term, plus plus means that should be coming as, now it is a plus term, the plus plus should be converted as minus 1. 4 square minus 2, therefore 16 minus 2 is 14 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem. Okay, I will take next type of problem. Okay, here it is the cube 1. For cube 1 we need to aware for this formula is k cube minus, already I told for these for the cube terms the formula is s cube. The format should be say plus plus, that means minus x cube minus 3, or take it as common, x is equal, k is equal to k minus k square minus 3. Like that we can easily solve. This is a 2 cube, that means 2 cube minus 3 into 2, that means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. Or else apply this formula as well. What is that? 2 square is 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 1, therefore 2. Use this one or this one, the answer should be coming as same. Okay, I will take one more problem for this kind of, here it is okay, for this problem we already told, if I am squaring on both sides, that means x square, that would be coming as x, that's converted as s cube. That's what I mean to highlight here, the s cube. Then we need to apply the formula as a k cube minus 3k, plus plus sign is there, that's why I am going to take minus sign. Okay, root of 5 cube minus 3, here given point is we need to take it as given number as well as exponents a into a plus a. Here it is a into 1 by b. Okay, I will not take here, directly I am taking here the 2 into 1 by 3. Understand? 3 cancel, therefore 5 root 5 minus 2 root 5. The answer should be 3 root 5 is the answer for this question. Why? Because if we are cube on both sides, 2 cube converted as 8. That's why I mean to say this is the answer for this question. If any problem coming like that, you can easily solve by using this logic and formula. Okay, next problem. This is the next problem is this is the power of 4, or else you can do it as okay, I will show the first method. The first method is to apply the formula method, a to the power of 4 minus 4a square plus 2. Here it is a 3 to the power of 4. I will take it as okay, 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 into 3 square is 9. I will take directly plus 2, 9 into 81, 9 into 9 81. Okay, 81 minus 36 plus 2, therefore 47 is the answer for this question. Okay, or else do from, if anyway 4 is there, right, we need to take it at twice times. Twice times means already we know 9 plus plus is minus, 3 square is 9, already we know the formula, k square plus or minus 2. We need to do two operations with respect to, here it is 4, power is 4, that's why 9 minus 2 is 7. Again we need to make it as this one act as second time. 7 square is 49. 49 minus 2 is 47. Either you can apply this formula or else this logic. The answer should be the same, but you need to aware, if you know the logic for the square only, we can easily solve. If you are know the formula, definitely you can solve by this method as well. Okay, next problem. Okay, for the power 5, how to do? The formula is a to the power of 5 minus, please note it down, 5a cube minus 5 plus 5a. Okay, 5 to the power of a is nothing but a 5 cube, 5 for the, okay, I will take it as into 5 cube plus 5 into 5. 5 to the power of 5 is 3125 minus 5 cube 125, that means 25 by the 125 by the 625 plus 25. The answer is 25. This is the formula method. This is the first method. Okay, second method is we need to do it as 2 operation, we already know the formula, and 3 operation we already know the formula, and minus given number. That means okay, we already know the 2 operations. 2 operations in plus plus, and we need to take it as minus 1. Okay, 25 square, 25 minus 2, and 3 operation is k cube, right? K cube means 125, 5 cube is 125, then 3k means 3 5 the 15, and minus given number is 5. Therefore here it is, so what is the term? 23 into 110 minus 5, already shortcut we already know, first term last term we need to make it as 11 is same only, and 235. Okay, because I already did video for the shortcut method for 11 multiples as well 9 multiples. Please see the video in the description section. Okay, this is 0 5, then the answer should be 2525 is the answer. Either you can easily solve from this method as well as formula method. The answer should be coming as same. Okay, next problem I will take without wasting time. Okay, for these kind of problems, see the exponentials is same. Here the exponential is same. See, I will tell the logic first. The proof is in the initial session of the video. Please go and see the video, see the proof as well. X to the power of n and 1 by x to the power of n is equal to 11. Sorry, this is the n term. I will take it as this one as a n term only. Okay, the x to the power of n plus x to the power of 1 by n. For this kind of problem, we need to take it as k square plus or minus 4. For this kind of problem, for the whatever the question is coming, we need to take the sign as the answer. Here it is, exponential is same, 99 99 exponentials are same, the power is same. For these kind of problems, what is the k square is 121, that is 11 square is 121, Here we need to, the question is as minus sign, we need to take that sign minus, and what is the term? 4. Therefore 121 minus 4 is 117 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily apply the formula. If you are knowing this logic, definitely you will solve any of the problem for these kind of problems. Okay, next problem, I will take one more problem. You will understand better. Okay, for this problem here it is plus sign, that's why I am taking as 11 square is 121 plus, okay, plus 121 plus 4, therefore root of 125. Therefore I will make it as 5 into 25. 5 root 5 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem. Okay, I will take next question as x plus 1 by 2 x to the power of 5. Okay, either you can, okay, for every problem we can't use the logic. Better you can see the problem. If I am applying, see, observe carefully friend, observe carefully. What is the, if I am applying x is equal to 1, the term should be, if 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2, then the satisfied. Okay, we need to apply this logic. Okay, then anyway the term should be a 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 to the power of 1 by 1 to the power of 5, then it should be 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, either you can apply this logic, already we already know the formula of this one, or else 5 power to the power of 5, exponential power to the 5, we already know the formula. 2 operations separate and 3 operations separate. 2 into 3 operation separate and minus given number. Understand? Therefore 2 square is 4 minus 2, as well as 3 operation is 8 minus of k cube minus 3k means 3 to 6 minus given number. Therefore 2 into minus 2 into 2 minus 2, therefore 4 into 4, 2 to the 4 minus 2 is equal to, either use this logic or this logic, the answer should be same. First use the logic first. Anyway, if we are applying the x value as 1, definitely you could solve. Without wasting time, we can easily solve by using this logic. First use the logic. If the logic is not at all present, then go to the formula and do it. Okay, I will take one more problem here. Here also it is the same question. Apply the logic, we can easily solve the problem. 1 here, for this one 1 here, the answer should be coming as 2 only. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Understand? If I am applying x as 1 value, x is equal to 1, the 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to RHS and LHS. This is the LHS, right hand side, and left hand side and right hand side. 2 is equal to 2. The proof is correct. Then apply this one at as question. 1 to the power of 47 minus 1 by 1 to the power of 47. Therefore 1 minus 1 is 0. Like that we can easily solve any of the problems. Okay, next problem. Okay, this is also good problem. Observe carefully friend, no need of worrying. Anyway, the format is x plus 3 is the question. Okay, I will take this problem as x plus 1 by x plus 3 is the question. Okay, I will make it as this one also, add plus 3 on both side. If I am add plus 3 on both sides, x plus 3 plus 1 plus x plus 3. Okay, then minus 1 plus 3 is equal to, what is the answer? 2. That means 2 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to, answer should be coming as 2. Then I will take it as 1, x plus 3 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 by 1 is equal to 2. Therefore LHS and RHS become equal. They apply this logic here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve. Please observe carefully the what is the question asking. Is applying. If you are using this logic, definitely could solve any of the problem. For this I am applying the logic anyway. By using visually we can easily get the answer. If I am applying 2 or 3 like that, we can easily solve the problem. Okay, I will take one more problem. You will understand quickly. Okay, this is the second type of question. A cube minus b cube. Okay, here it is a 56. No need of confusion anything. We already, because already I told in previous videos as well, we need to aware for the square terms up to 25 we need to know, as well as to cube terms up to 10 we need to know, because anyway we already know. Fine. 4 cube is 64. Understand, 4 cube is 64 and 2 cube is 8. If I are applying this logic, a cube minus b cube is equal to 56. Then 64 minus 8 is equal to 56. Then RHS become RHS is equal to LHS. Then okay, 56 is equal to, then proof is correct. We need to apply it as a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. Apply this logic here. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. The answer is 2. Okay, the question already given, a minus b is equal to 2. We are also segregate from the answer from here, from the proof. Fine. Okay, then 4 square, the question is a square plus b square, 4 square plus 2 square, therefore 16. 4 square is 16 plus 2 square is 4, therefore answer is 20 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem I will take without wasting time. Maybe you got that point. If you are not at all understand, please go back and do it again from your hand. Here observe carefully, this is the question. Okay, here if I am applying 2s is a plus b plus c, because no terms is available on the term, we need to make it as logic. How to apply the logic? For example, I will take it as a terms as 2, b terms as 2 and c terms as 2 and s terms as 3. Why? Because we need to, here it is LHS, RHS becomes 6, this RHS becomes, we need to make it a LHS also equal 1, correct? If I am applying 2s has s as 3, the apply should be, the LHS also become equal. Here 6 is equal to 6, therefore the logic is correct. Then apply this logic, s is equal to 6, right? S is equal to 3, sorry. Then s is equal to 3, a b c is equal to 2 is the answer. Therefore 3 into 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Fine. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore 3 minus 2 is 1 into 1, 1 only. 3 plus 1, therefore answer is 4 for this answer. Like that we can easily solve any of the problems. The question is asking, we need to apply the logic. What is the question is asking? Then apply the logic with the terms or a formula, whatever. But we need to concentrate the problem what is asking. This is the 117 means what could be the cube should be near. There is 5 cube only. 5 cube is 125. Apply this logic. I will take it as first term as 5 cube. 5 cube is a cube. Fine. A cube. 8 as 5. Therefore 5 cube is 125. Because how many terms? 125 minus 8 is 8. That means we need to take b terms as 2 cube. That means 8. Therefore 125 minus 8 is equal to, LHS and RHS become equal, 117 is equal to 117. Then proof is correct. The value of a is 5 and b is 2. Apply this logic here. A plus b, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 is the, okay, here it is coming, already they given the questions. Okay, 5 square plus, the question is a square plus b square is equal to 5 square plus 2 square. Therefore 25 plus 4 is equal to 29 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. Ax plus by is equal to 5, bx minus ay is equal to 3, a square plus, okay, fine. We already know the formula of this one. A square plus b square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to m square plus n square. Okay, by using this logic we can easily apply this. This is the format of this question. That means a terms, it is as a terms, we need to consider a terms. This is the m term 5, this is the n term, a and b term, this is the xy term. Because a square or b square is already given 17 into, we need to calculate x square minus y square. Therefore m square is 25 plus 3 square is 9, 25 plus 9 is 34. Therefore 17 x square minus y square is equal to 34. 17 to the 34, Therefore x square minus y square is equal to 2 is the answer for this question, because we already know this formula from the childhood only. Ax plus by is equal to m, bx minus ay, then the formula should be a square plus b square is equal to into x square minus y square is equal to m square plus n square. This is the basic formula we already know in the childhood. That's what I mean to, I am taking this question, this is the format, just applying the logic, because all the problems should be the logic only, because these streams, the question should be, while you are seeing the questions should be different, but if you are analyzing, the should be answer should be as easy one. We need to understand the logic, that's it. Okay, fine. Next problem. Okay, the next problem is 4 plus 2. Okay, for this problem we already aware the formula, already I told in the initial session only. We need to know the formula. If we know the formula, we can do any of the problem. We know the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this is the first problem, root of 4 plus 2 root 3. Understand? This is the format of a plus b the whole square. How could be the, because 4 how it is coming, see 4 for 1 as well as root 3. Understand? Why? Because 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That's what I am make it a 1 square plus root 3. Here it is 2ab format. Here is the 2ab format. Here is the these terms as a square and b square format. 2ab format 2 into 1 into root 3. Because the format is like here only, that's what I mean to say. Therefore the answer should be here 1 plus root 3 the whole square. Therefore cancel square cancel, the answer is 1 plus root 3 for this question. Okay, here in this problem observe carefully, so 7 means 12 means root of 4 into root of 3 into 2ab format. Fine, because if we're adding that one, make it as 7, the 4 and 3 only, the answer is coming as right. Then apply this logic of root of 4 minus root of 3 the whole square, cancel, this is different, don't confuse. Therefore remaining should be 4 root minus 3, the root 4 is already we know, 2 minus root 3 is the answer for this question. The option should sometimes root 4 minus root 3, sometimes it would be asking us 2 minus root 3. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem for this kind of questions. Okay, I will take few more problems and I will complete this video session. Fine, I will take this problem. Already I told this is the format of, while seeing the question we need to think what is the formula is coming like that, because we already know the formula a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus, this is the plus 1, because I am writing in mouse, that's why sometimes it will be difficult for me, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fine. Here observe carefully friends for this question. Here 2ab is the term, we need to root 3 and root 5. Logic is here only. Why? Because a term is root 3, because 3 and 2, and here it is root 5 into 2. The one term is root 3, one term is root 5, one term is root 2. Then we can easily get the answer, root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2. This is the root 5 whole square, cancel, the answer is root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 is the answer for this question. Like that we can apply the logic by using the formula, we can easily get the answer. Okay, fine. Next question. Okay, I will tell one more thing here. Fine, these are all the formula. If the format is coming x plus 1 by x is equal to, we need to take it as 1. Why? Because RHS and LHS become equal. Here for the x plus 1 by x is minus 2, we need to take the logic as minus 1. Like that we can apply the logics here. This is the important thing I need to highlight. These are all the proof. This is the proof for this one, sorry, this one, as well as this is the proof for here. We need to know about the formula. X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1, the s cube become 1, and 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 1, the s cube become minus 5. If you know this logic, we can easily solve any of the format. The question will be asking like this only. That's what I mean to say. These are the identities problem. If you know this logic, definitely could solve any of the problem. Okay, I will see. These are the proof. Please pause and make it how it is the proof will be. 1 plus 1 by x identities problem. x to the power of 12 is there, no need of confusion anything, we already know these terms. The answer should be s cube is equal to minus 1. We already know where it is. Here it is showing. I am going 1 by x is equal to 1, then s cube is equal to minus 1, already shown. Like that we can apply the logic here. Okay, we need to make a first problem as x to the power of 12, right? X to the power of 12, x to the power of 12 plus 1 by x to the power of, we need to make it a format as s cube. I will take it as s cube is equal to, here we need to apply the logic. S cube is equal to minus 1 4 plus 1 by, here it is 18, then I will take it as s cube by 6, then s cube is equal to minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 to the power of 6. Therefore here I am taking minus 1, that means whole to the power of, that should be positive only, because here it is even, here it also even. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, I will take second one. I will take it as, this is the first one. The second problem is x to the power of 32. We need to make it as format as s cube, that means I will make it as s cube divided by 10 into x square separate plus 1 by s cube terms with respect to x square. Fine, we already know this is 1 minus 1 minus 1, that means I will take it as minus 1 whole to the power of 10 x square plus 1 by minus 1 to the power of x cube, means my x, already I told s cube is equal to minus 1 from the identity. If any problem is coming later, we need to apply the logic here. Okay, x square, the answer is, now it should be positive because even x square plus 1 by, okay, x square, because if the term is 1 plus 1 by x, we already know the formula. X plus 1 by x is equal to 1 means, for x square how could be the term means x square plus, initially we know the formula of this one, we already aware for this formula, k square, tell me, minus 2. Why? Because plus plus is there, minus 2, because k value is 1, 1 square minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is the answer for this question. Like that we can use the formula. Why? Because x plus 1 terms already there. Now it terms convert to x square. We already have a formula in the bucket, just we need to apply the formula here, that's it. Okay, I will take one last problem with identities. We can, okay, I mean to I am not going to do this formula, please note it down. This is the very important things. I don't have any problem for this, that's what I am not going to do. X plus 1 by x is equal to root 3, x cube is equal to minus 1. This is identity. If any of the problem coming like that, please use the identities formula with this format. Okay, I will take last problem here. X square plus, okay, this is the formula. If I am dividing by x here for this term, the term should be x minus 1 by, okay, minus 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 0. Then I will make it as format as 1 plus 1 by, we need to make it as format like, why? Because x to the power of 7 is there, that's what I mean to say. 1 by x is equal to 0. Now I make it, the question is x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 10 plus x to the power of 13 plus x to the power of 16 plus x to the power of 19 plus x to the power of 22. Fine, I will take it as common as x to the power of 7 here, the formula x plus s cube here, 1 plus s cube. Okay, here it is the 1 plus 1 by x is equal to, sorry, here it is 1, it should be converted. If I am shifting here, it should be converted. Then s cube minus, we already know 1, the s cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Understand? This is the logic here. Okay, I will common here x to the power of, from this one x to the power of 7 is common, here 13 is common, the answer is coming 1 by s cube here, again 1 x to the power of 19 as common, 1 plus s cube will be there. We already know 1 plus s cube is equal to 0 already from this from this equation. Therefore this is become 0, 1 by 1 plus x cube, this is become 0, this is become 0. The 0 of adding anything is should be 0 only. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem by using identities logic. Might be your understand these kind of problems in algebra. If any of the problem coming in exam, any of the exam, you can apply this logic, you could solve any of the number of question, number of answer for these types of questions. And if you are liking this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe button. If you have any thoughts in your mind, please let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos.